Good morning, students. Let us do question number 2 of exercise 7.2. I hope you all must have written those two theorems and have understood it. So let us start with that. It is given that in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. To prove it, we have taken two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, that is triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Now it is given in the question that AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC, means BD equals to CD. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, BD equals to CD. And since AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore, angle ADB equals to angle ADC, each equal to 90 degree. And AD equals to AD common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by side angle side, that is SAS congruency rule. Now, since the two triangles are congruent, therefore, AB equals to AC by CP CD. And we know that when two sides of a triangle are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle proved. Now let us start with question number 3. It is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal, means BE equals to CF. For proving it, we have taken the two triangles, this triangle BEC and triangle CFB, this triangle. These two triangles we have taken. In this triangle, angle E equals to angle F because BE and CF are the altitudes. So they are perpendicular. So each equals to 90 degree. Now it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB equals to AC. And we know that when two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Therefore, angle B equals to angle C. Third, BC equals to BC common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by AAS, that is angle side congruency rule. Since the two triangles are congruent, therefore BE equals to CF by CP CD. So students, write down these questions in your maths notebook. Also practice in your practice copy. Thank you.